Assalamualaikum. My name is Mohammad Uzair. I am from level 1 class. Category, and I am very thankful to Quest Academy. They provide us Quest scientific quad, and I made this chart which is about clock, and I start my clock, that how to represent the clock. There are two common ways of asking and telling time. Two common ways of asking time. What time is it by your watch? What is the time by your watch? There are two common ways of telling times. In telling time, first we bring minutes, which is present by past or two, then bring hour. Like now there is the time 3:30, and the second way of telling time, first we bring hour, then minutes. Like this is 3:30 finished.